Good day, Biomeds. Again, I have here another 3 KVA automatic voltage regulator. And the problem with this one is when you push the quick start, it doesn't turn on. It should be turning on immediately when you push this quick start here, and the needle of the voltage indicator here should steady at 220 volts. Okay, as you can see here, I'm going to turn this on. And as you can see here, there's a delay. And I'm going to press this one for a quick start. As you can see here, it should hold in a 20 volt, 220 volts voltage. And as you can see here, it doesn't hold. So meaning there's a problem with our control inside. But if you wait this for at least 30 seconds or to 3 minutes, I think it would start, and this needle should stay at the 220 volts. So we're not going to wait for this one to turn on. So better fix the control inside so that every time you touch the quick start, it should hold the power, or meaning the voltage. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, I already opened up this one. So I'm going to trace the switch, this one. This is the quick start wire. So it is going to the relay side. There is also a tiny control in this area. It should be the control for the time delay. So first I'm going to pull this one and see the back of this board. I hope I can see the problem here. As you can see here, we have the control. There's a tiny what's this? Can see. Okay. There is no okay, this tiny chip here is a NE555. So this one, we're going to check these two wires here. We're going to check this one. Okay, I'm going to clean this up first. And as you can see here, there's a little bit of black right here in this area. The printed circuit board here. I'm going to check for continuity on this one. And I'm going to test all the components here, the diodes and the resistors and the capacitors. We have also here a 2 in 4401 transistors. Okay, I'm going to check this up. Okay, by meds, I already test all the components here, and the resistors here are all in its tolerance capacity. Also these diodes here, and I also did test the transistor and it is in good condition. One thing I noticed is these capacitors here, a 100 microfarad 16 volts, and the explanation for this one is every time you switch on the quick start, once you trigger it, and it will charge the capacitor and it will hold the relays here. So meaning it will hold the relay, so that's why it is turning on the AVR itself. As you can see here, I'm going to test this one. Okay, be very careful by your meds because this is a high voltage. I'm going to switch on the breaker. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to switch on the breaker. Okay, as you can see here, the needle is not pointing to the 220 volts indicator, so I'm going to push this one and we'll see what happened. Okay, as you can see here, it's now turning on, and the relay here is in contact in the opposite direction. I will try to turn off first and see what will happen. Look, the relay is released. I'm going to turn this on. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to switch on the quick start button, then look at the relay. So we have now an output on our outlet here. So I think our problem here is solved, and the culprit is this capacitors right here. It's just a very basic one. So every time you encounter this kind of problem, just follow this technique. I already did check the capacitor that's inside the original capacitor, and it has a lower value, so I replace it with another one. So I'm going to return it back, the cover, and I'm going to try to test this with the machine, or the hemodialysis machine. Okay, good day, bye meds, and God bless. Thank you.